So welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to change language in Granblue Fantasy Relink Endless Ragnarok game. So after going to Steam, select your game under library section. Now right click on it, click on properties. Under general here you can see the language option. It's already selected as English. Click on the drop down and here you will find lots of other languages. If you want, you can select it any language and change the language to that particular language. So you have just for example select German, and after that you will find that the game language has been changed to that particular language you have selected. Now if you want it to revert it back to English or change to any other language, simply you have to go to again Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Under general here you have to change the language to English or any other you want, and after that the language will be changed to that particular language you have selected. So by this way you can easily change the language from English to any other or again revert it back to English in Granblue Fantasy Relink Endless Ragnarok game on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.